guys, it's Brittany. Today I want to talk to you about being compassionate towards yourself while you're on a weight loss journey. Now, I think this message can be useful in many situations if you're making any sort of big change in your life, but I will be talking about it from a weight loss perspective because that's where I've been noticing the most need for this to be said. I find that it's so easy to be compassionate to our friends and our loved ones and cheer them on and let them know it's okay to not be perfect and you're doing the best you can, and we're really loving and supportive to other people, but it can be much harder to do that for yourself. A lot of us are very hard on ourselves. We're our own worst critics, and that is understandable because we just want to do the best that we can, but I do think that this can lead to negative and self-destructive behaviors. I think if we can learn to be more compassionate towards ourselves, it will lead to more success in the long run, and it'll be a much more positive journey overall. So to me, when you have a really bad day or a bad week, you can do one of two things. The first thing you could do is what many people do, and it's beat yourself up and say, oh, I totally failed, this is too hard for me, I give up. And we're so hard on ourselves, which leads to maybe binge eating or, not doing the things we should be because we're already such a failure, so why even try? Which again leads to more negative self-talk and more destructive behavior, and it becomes such a vicious cycle of negativity that it's hard to get out of. Or instead of doing that, what we should do, in my opinion, is say, you know what, I'm not perfect, I had a bad meal or a bad day or a bad week, and you know what, that's okay. I don't have to be perfect to make progress. So I'm just gonna move on and go ahead and do the best I can tomorrow or next week or whatever. I'm gonna forgive myself for this, I'm not gonna beat myself up, and I'm just gonna move on. Weight loss is hard for everyone, and if someone tells you that you're just being lazy and you're not trying hard enough, could that be true? Yes, it could. But chances are, if someone is really negative towards you about your progress, they have not themselves tried to lose weight, because it's super hard. We've all struggled, we've all been there, and I know I have felt like, and I'm sure all of you have felt like, it's too hard, I'm just gonna give up, and it's worthless. I'm never going to reach my goals. And again, that's not something you would ever tell your best friend. You would say, you know what, that's okay. Keep going, keep trying. Just do the best you can, and that's all you can do. When you can be proud of what you have accomplished instead of focusing on all of the negative things, you're more likely, in my opinion, to just keep going and keep trying to do the best that you can. Because when you're negative and down on yourself, obviously it's not something you want to continue. When you're failing at something, or you feel like you're failing at something, what's the point in doing it? So if you can look at yourself and be like, you know what, maybe today was bad, but the last couple weeks I've been doing awesome, and that's okay that I had a bad day. I think it will lead in the long term to more positive things happening. I think it's also important to remind yourself all the time that being on a lifestyle change, no matter what it is, whether it's weight loss related or not, I think you should be telling yourself all the time, I'm not trying to be perfect here. I'm trying to do better, and I'm trying to do better every single day, and that's all you can do. When you try to be perfect, I think that's when a lot of self-doubt can come in and a lot of negativity, and no one's perfect. No one's going to be perfect at this. No one succeeds their first time around. Well, I can't say no one, but the majority of people are not going to succeed their first time around. I've been on this weight loss journey for over a year, and in the last couple weeks, this is the first time I'm making any progress. So I've definitely been in a place where I feel really negative, and it does lead to self-destruction because you end up giving up or not trying as hard as you can. And so just really try to be kind to yourself. And I think it's important that we love ourselves enough to let ourselves fail, let ourselves have bad days, but just get back up and keep on going, because you don't want that one negative meal or one negative day to define you or define your week. It doesn't have to. It's really important when on this type of journey is realizing that you're doing this to love yourself and your body. You're not doing this because you want to deprive yourself of anything. And although once in a while it could feel that way, especially if you're limiting calories or on a really strict diet, it can feel very limiting. But the thing is, you have to not think about it in such a negative light, and you have to think, this is something that I'm doing for the good of my body because I love myself enough to make these difficult changes. If you're negative and you feel restricted, you're more likely to binge eat and you're more likely to feel guilty when you mess up. But if you look at it like, I'm doing this because I love myself, because I want to be better, I want to be healthier, then when you have a bad day, it's easier to just be like, okay, I don't have to feel guilty about that because right now I didn't do the best thing for my body, but tomorrow I'm going to, and I'm going to get better. And in the long run, all of these changes are going to pay off, and I'm going to feel better, and it'll all be so worth it. Instead of feeling like, oh, this stinks, I can't eat all the food I want, I have to limit calories. It's really hard when, especially with the holidays around, I see all of these people eating everything I want to eat. And so it can feel restrictive. It can feel like you're denying yourself. But what you're doing is you're helping your body, you are helping yourself, and that's a way that you can show yourself love. And you have to look at it that way. You can't look at it like, oh, I hate myself so much, I want to lose weight, and that's why I'm doing this. You have to look at it like, I love myself and I can become the person I want to be, and that's why I'm doing this. It will make all the difference in the world if you can look at this whole journey in a positive light. You really just have to be kind to yourself and realize it's okay to mess up. You don't have to be perfect. That's not what this is about. That's not what life is about. So that's all I really wanted to talk to you guys about. I just want you to be kind to yourself and forgive yourself for your mistakes, because they're going to happen. They happen to everyone, and it's okay. Don't beat yourself up. Don't let it turn into a negative cycle of binge eating and a week-long thing where you're, hating yourself and you feel like a failure. You have a bad meal, that's okay. Just do better next time. You have a bad week, again, that's okay. You're just going to try to do better. It doesn't take away from everything good that you've already accomplished. So just try really hard as best as you can to just be positive with yourself, be loving towards yourself. And I really do think it'll make your weight loss journey, or any type of journey where you're making huge changes in your life, I think it'll make it easier, and I think it will be more successful because you're in the right mind frame. I've seen a lot of people on here struggling lately, and like I said, I've been there, and most people who have tried to lose weight or change something huge in their life have been there. So you're not alone. It's just really important to forgive yourself and let it go and just do the best you can. And that way you will succeed instead of spiraling into a mess of, I'm a failure, I quit, I can't do this, and your situation is going to get worse instead of better. So I just wanted to share my thoughts with you guys. I've been seeing this a lot on YouTube and everywhere, and I've felt it myself, and I think it's really important that we're kind to ourselves, especially when going through such hard changes. So I would love to hear your thoughts down below. If you guys have any questions or need help with anything, just let me know. If you did like this video, please give it a thumbs up. It would mean a lot to me. If you would like to follow my journey, you can subscribe, and I will talk to you guys later. Bye, guys. Not doing that fluctuating where I'm going up and down and remaining the same. So I do wish my weight loss